Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be making a sushi bake. I haven't made this in about 2 years, y'all. So I wanted some more and I was gonna go ahead and make it again. Listen, while I do understand this is not for everybody because it does have like seaweed and like spicy sriracha, a lot of Asian stuff. But if you like salmon and like imitation crab and stuff like that, just give it a try because it's something different and it's a way to do your salmon different, if that makes sense. Anyway, before we get started, make sure y'all get my cookbook. It is on Amazon and it is linked below digitally. Without further ado, let's get to it.
Am I really that much? And breaking these niggas down like a camera. You don't really know you.
Alright, so we're going to start with our salmon. If you have salmon that has the skin on it, just wait to cook it to take it off because it'll be a lot easier to take the skin off. So we're just gonna start with some oil, just a little bit. We'll get our seasonings to stick on there. And then what we have here is some onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, smoked paprika, and a little bit of Old Bay. We ain't doing too much. And since I don't have the skin on mine, I'm gonna flip it over and do the other side. Now we're gonna put this in the air fryer on 400 for about 8 to 10 minutes. It should be pretty much done. Alright, so we are going to be using some of these green onions that I grew right here. Y'all, I just had some old green onions and I took the bottom pieces off and just put it in some water. In like 5 days it grew like this. So you can do it too. We're going to use these for the tops of our, to garnish the top of our sushi bake. So we're going to take our imitation crab. And is this a pound? Because you can use about a pound of imitation crab. Get the thing open. And we're just gonna take these out, put it in the bowl, and let me show you. I got an just like this, y'all. So I'll be back once I'm done. I guess the easiest way to show y'all how to find it is to actually like squeeze it, and then you will find that it will unravel like that, if that makes sense. I'm gonna just rip it first. Then you want to cut it and get it as small as possible. Salmon ready. I'm just going to eat that. Look how juicy it is though. Can y'all see the juice on that? Right now, this is where you want to take your skin off. If you have skin on, you can just flip it over and peel the skin off. I don't have any, so we just going to shred this up with some forks. Very easy. Let me show y'all this salmon. Now we're gonna add some Sriracha Mayo. You can use regular Asian mayo if you don't want to use the spicy Sriracha Mayo. And I use a gang of this. No measurements today, y'all. Just put what you think. Put some Sriracha. Alright, so we're going to add a block of cream cheese. And I should have had this out so it can be soft, so it might going to take me a minute to mix it up. I'm going to add a little bit of rice vinegar. At this point, y'all should know how to make rice. Y'all don't, go to my page. I done taught y'all how to make rice too many times. little of this. So we have some seaweed we're gonna use. This is the big one. I also bought some little ones so that we can like eat it with. You can also use the big ones to eat it with. I just like the small snack ones because it's easier to like grab. That makes sense. Also, you can see that these sheets have like grooves in them, and so you can like fold them and cut them like however you want. So the oven is ready. Extra on top. So I got some sesame seeds. You can use black sesame seeds, but this is just regular. Then we're gonna put this in the oven for 10 minutes. Sriracha Mayo. And a little bit more sriracha. That's it, y'all. We're gonna add these green onions. So I take these little snack seaweeds, and I hate the way they make you open it because the seaweed is flat. Anyway, it comes in like a bunch, so I'm just gonna take one out. Seaweed. It's creamy too, y'all. Maybe still hot. Try something different. I'm telling you, it's good. Alright, so y'all, this is how it came out. As always, y'all know my dishes are super flavorful. Always delicious. Don't forget the grocery list is in the description below, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what else y'all want to cook, what y'all want to see, what y'all want to learn.
Hit that subscribe button!